Here's a quick highlight video for the 76 K5 up for auction on Bring a Trailer. This 1976 Chevrolet K5 Blazer 4x4 is finished in white and orange and has a removable white hardtop, dual exhaust, 15-inch rally wheels mounted on 33 Nexen Roadian ATX tires with 2023 production date codes. It's powered by a 350 Chevy V8 mated with a 3-speed TH350 automatic transmission, but more on that in a minute. This replacement 350 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 has a 4-barrel carb with the carburetor, wiring harness, and alternator all replaced in 2019. Full disclosure, there is an oil leak currently present. The 3-speed TH350 automatic transmission has a dual range transfer case, 12-bolt rear axle with 373 gearing. Again, in the spirit of disclosure, the transmission leaks fluid. Go bid on this no reserve auction at bringatrailer.com. But hurry, the auction ends on Saturday, December 9th, 2023. For more Blazers like this, check out blazerforsale.com and be sure to subscribe.